Hello again. This time I'm just going to solve the second problem from your worksheet. So I'm writing over here 5 times x plus 3 minus 2x is equal to negative 21. And as an explanation over here, I can just write simply given. When I just look at my equation, I see a parenthesis over here. So first, I need to get rid of this parenthesis. And there's a this is multiplication actually. That means 5 times the whole thing. This doesn't mean 5 times x plus 3. That means the 5 times the whole thing. So first, I multiply 5 by x, 5x. Then I multiply 5 by the second term in the parentheses. So it's going to be plus 5 times 3, and minus 2x is equal to negative 21. So what I did over here, actually, I used the distributive property of equality. Next, I just simplify this 5x plus, instead of 5 times 3, I can just write 15 minus 2x is equal to negative 21. What I did, I just simplified. So I can just write over here, simplify. Next step, when I just look at over here, I see some like terms. 5x, positive 5x, and negative 2x. They are like terms, so I'm just going to combine them. So 5x minus 2x is going to be equal to 3x plus 15 is equal to negative 21. So what I did, I combined the like terms. So I'm just going to write combine like terms. Next, I'm trying to solve for x. So x is still not alone. There's an addition over here. The best way to get rid of this plus 15 is subtract 15 on one side. And I know that from the subtraction property of the equality, if I subtract one number from one side of the equality, I have to do the same thing on the other side of my equality. So I subtract 15 from this side too. And when I just come over here, this is going to be 3x. So plus 15 minus 15 is going to be equal. I don't need to write 0 over here. Plus 15 minus 15 is going to be equal to 0. So I don't have to write that over here. So on this side, negative 21 minus 15, it's going to be negative 36. So actually, I forgot to write over here. Let's just add this over here. I used the subtraction property of equality, and then I just simplify them. You can just write over here, simplify. And then x still is not isolated. So what I need to do is just leave x alone. So this means 3 times x. So this is a multiplication. So the best way to get rid of this 3 is divide both sides of the equality with 3. I'm dividing both sides with the same number because I know that if I just divide one side of the equation with the number, I have to divide the other side of the equation with the same number. So I'm using this division property of equality. And when I divide this, they cancel out. So x is equal to negative 12. And what I did over here, I just simplified. So for an explanation, you can just write simplify. So this is how you're gonna solve your problems in this worksheet.